welcome to our AP Statistics Term 3 presentation. This is Shriya and Nallaparaju.
And this is Robichaud. And our AP Statistics presentation was a statistical analysis of AP exam scores in Massachusetts schools, as well as their relationship with pupil expenditure.
The first step we conducted was primary research, and we looked at the comparative AP exam scores by district.
So to begin, we looked at the total AP exam pass percentage per school for all of the districts in our region, and we noticed that Foxborough Regional Charter School had a AP exam pass rate of 59.1%, which is on par with the rest of the schools in the district. However, when we looked at the different subjects, like the breakdown of it, we noticed a different pattern.
So looking at the individual subjects, English and foreign language, FRCS is among the top 4 schools in the region. History and social science is right on par with the other schools. Science and technology, we are second to last in the region. And math and computer science, we are last with a pass percentage of 14.3%.
Next, we looked into whether or not a school's AP exam pass percentage is impacted by its expenditure per student or not.
So these first two charts are looking at the total pass percentage on the 2020 to 2021 AP exams versus the total expenditure per pupil for charter schools and public schools. The charter school trend line is in the negative direction, and the public school trend line is in the upward direction.
So we first started by collecting the expenditure per pupil and also the AP exam pass rate for each of the schools in both Bristol and Norfolk County. So first we checked the conditions to ensure that we could make a 95% confidence interval for the slope of a linear regression line. And to do so, we first made a histogram of the AP exam pass percentage for all of the schools in Bristol and Norfolk County, and we found that this histogram was approximately normal.
Looking at the residual plot, we saw no apparent patterns that would affect the results of our test.
After checking our conditions, we made a scatter plot of our data, and we found that there is a moderate positive linear trend between the expenditure per pupil and AP exam pass percentage of each school.
Finally, we conducted our 95% confidence interval test for the slope of the linear regression line shown in our scatter plot. We are 95% confident that the slope of the linear regression line is between 0.012 times 10 to the negative third and 0.049 times 10 to the negative third power, indicating a positive linear relationship between the variables.
Next, we drew conclusions from the data that we found. So first up, we have my conclusion, which is that the most effective way to increase FRCS's AP exam pass rate is to use student data in order to address specific issues. And we would have to use that data to focus on the subject group that FRCS is struggling with the most, which is math and computer science. School administration has to look into methods that will increase math and computer science pass rates in FRCS, and the first method would be improving hiring decisions. So currently, there is no computer science teacher at FRCS that teaches AP Computer Science A or AP Computer Science Principles. And as a result, students are learning material from VHS, which means that they're basically teaching themselves the curriculum. And this, as we can see from our pass rates, is not effective at all. So my solution to that would be that teachers should be hired based on the quality of their education that they can provide, instead of whether or not they will be a fast hire to replace the teacher that preceded them. In addition to improving hiring decisions, FRCS can implement more mandated professional development for teachers, regardless of whether they have been here for a long time or a short amount of time, because this professional development will allow them to better help their students and to improve their teaching methods each year as the AP exam slightly changes. And now we can move on to Liam's conclusion.
In order to propose methods for increasing the performance of FRCS students on the AP exam, we should look at districts that greatly outperform what's expected based on the linear regression line. The Sheridan School District has one of the highest residuals, meaning that its AP performance exceeds what would be expected for a school with their student expenditure. While researching Sheridan High School, I noted a large amount of external programs. Such programs include MIT camp partnerships, specific subject camps like quantum computing and data analysis, as well as math and science programs. Implementing programs like these in fricas allows for students to grow outside of school and could improve math proficiency. In the long term, AP scores could benefit from partnerships that create interest in the subject.
And with that, we are finished with our presentation. Thank you so much for listening, and we hope you have a good day. Bye! This is gonna be fun to edit.
You guys should please, I'll give you bonus points if you make a blooper reel.
I will do that for you.
Thank you.
The one word.
This is the histogram.
I look like a character
What
from
is the
Avatar when I go.
This.
This is funny.
Okay.
Alright. Can you still read that?
Yeah.
Jesus, you sound like a car.
Okay. Ready? Okay. Ready? I think we can finish this before Andrew gets back.
Oh, start through this time.
Let's go. Okay, ready?
It's like a port wine color.
Yeah, like a pomegranate.
Yeah.
But actually,
Good.
it comes up.
You should keep it.
Okay, let me.
Then
Wait,
whoever's
sit.
watching the
Stand
presentation.
here.
I think you should just have a freeze frame.
Okay, wait, actually, where are we gonna sit? Okay, move more this way.
I'm gonna circle the arrow in.
Yeah. Stop.
Oh shoot, but you know the bell's gonna ring in like less than 5 minutes, right? Wait, you have one more chance to film this before you have to film it tomorrow.
One more chance. I mean,
Is that a child or a goose?
That's wheels.
Oh my god.
It's a card.
It is a card.
I'm right.
No, okay, wait.
Can I borrow this again?
Mr. Barb.
What?
This is not true.
It's like it apostrophe S. That means it is, right?
It is.
Yes.
Is with an apostrophe. It's
See?
is possessive.
That doesn't. No,
That doesn't help.
No.
Everything in middle school.
but I'm pretty sure it's the other way around. I'm
No,
pretty
it-
sure. No. Because I know I'm right. I know she's brought this up
I will
before.
bet you.
Because every
$20.
time I look at something where he
I
says
will go
it.
get my wallet and lay down $20 on this bet. I am 100% correct.
See? Look! I'm correct!
Shriya, I'm reading it.
I'm
Are the
correct.
people in the viewing
Oh,
room
sorry.
gonna pop out of the camera and look at my index
I
card?
will.
This is also on the wrong one.
Oh, sorry. Mr. Bob, I have a quick question.
Just makes this a little bit.
Wow. Gorgeous handwriting. He is bolding.
Yeah.
That's a word.
What's your question?
Is there something wrong with it? Because like.
Wow.
Yeah, because your calculator is doing 2 times 180, and then it's subtracting that from 16. There's this thing called the order of operations, Max. Please excuse my dear on Sally. If you want to do 16 minus 2 first, like in the formula I think you're thinking about, then you want to do 16 minus 2. In the formula I gave you, I have parentheses there. Then multiply by 180.
Oh, okay.
And that is the answer. Are you listening to music while I'm trying to explain math to
No,
you right now?
I just like have like.
Oh my god, Max, dude, there you go. Make me feel like I'm listened to next time you ask a question.
I think we should increase the font size of everything. Please, we need to get this done today,
Okay.
Liam.
I'll replace each one. Wait, this one can actually go here. Okay, and the last ones I will replace.
I
Actually, Let me pull them. Let me pull them.
Seriously, you're gonna make Shriya cry.
You
Like,
might.
you're just like, please, just.
Okay, okay.
Hold this to
I need to edit so much of this. Do you understand? We're already at 4 minutes. No, 5.
Liam, go get some tape.
No, it's good.
Just use your tape.
Okay, I'll just hold them. All right, ready?